So hello guys, my name is Ankur Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's stream video without having any further delay. So this video is about the routine of 9th July 2024 of the day 216. Okay, so finally we have today we will complete the day of 216 on the day of 9th July 2024. Okay, so yeah, so I think this is really a very good thing that I'm uploading a videos at a continuously manner. Okay, so basically, yeah, let me tell you what actually I had done today. So basically, last night I went for the sleep around 4:45, and basically this is the thing which was happened, and this is the reason why I woke up at very late today's morning. Okay, so basically this is the thing which was happened, and after that, I woke up. Okay, and after that I brought my clothes. So before waking up, first I woke up and I sat on the bed, and I used my phone. Okay, and after that I brought my clothes, and after that I went to the ground floor. Okay, so after that, I not done too much thing. I just you know I washed my mouth, and after that I had taken the bath, and after that I wore clothes, and after that I worshipped in very proper manner. And after that I didn't eat food because of this some reasons. Okay, so after that what I had done, after that I went to the first floor, and I I'm doing some work. Okay, I've done some work, and after that I talked to my sister. Okay, I spent my time with my sister. Okay, so basically this is the thing which was happened, and after that I went to the ground floor to first floor to ground floor. So basically this is the whole thing which was happened, and when I hit the ground floor, my mother came, and we all, and I talked to my mother, and after that I went to the first floor, and after that my mother calls me. After that I went to the ground floor, and after that me and my mother ate food that is what that is pulse, and rice, and leafy vegetables, and pickle, and fried potato. So basically I ate, and after that my mother cooking after that my mother cooked sabji of soya chap. Okay, and after that I went to the first floor, and basically I didn't do too much thing. I was just trying to take rest, and after that I went to the ground floor. So and after that yeah, basically this is the thing which was happened. After that I went to the first floor again. I went to the ground floor, and my mother told me that they brought your food, and I ate. So after that I ate food, and basically this is the thing which was happened. And after that I went to the first floor, and after that I didn't do too much thing. After going to the first floor I didn't do too much thing. I just sat, and nothing I had done. So after that I went to the ground floor, and I spent my time with my family, and after that I ate food while watching the TV with my family. So basically this is the thing which was happened today, and after that I went to the bathroom, and after that I came, and after that I went inside the room, and after that I brought my food, and after that I went to the first floor, and after that I started you know not doing too much thing, just searching something, and after that I started studying, and after that I am shooting video. After shooting the video I will study, and after that I use my phone, and after that I went for the sleep. So basically this is the thing which was happened today. I hope you really understand it. If you really understand it, then guys, please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourage me to upload more and more videos in a continuously manner. So without having any further delay, let's start today's 5 or 10 words target. Okay, so our first word is mass. Mass means, guys, masalna. If you don't follow my command, then I'll mass you. Just take as an example, don't take it seriously. Poverty, Garibi. I think we should help him, because we all know that he is suffering from poverty. Useless, because basically this headphone is very useless. This is not working. Basically one side is working and the next side not working. It's really a very very bad experience while using this. It's useless. Our fourth word is unable, असमर्थ. I have not done this just because I was unable to do. Prediction, भविष्यवाणी. I know that someone predicted that you will be die on that time, and because of this reason. Reliable, भरोसेमंद. I know that you are very reliable, so that's why I trust you, and I'm doing, and I gave you this word. Loose, ढीला. I think this pant is too loose. That's why it is. I'm feeling uncomfortable while wearing this. Deliberately, जानबूझकर. I know that I had done this work deliberately, but not, in a bad sense. Moron, mandbuddhi. Okay, so I know you three moron. Just talking. Funeral, अंतिम संस्कार. I think you should go that funeral process. Lend, उधार देना. I think that I'll lend you my plot. I think that I'll lend you some money for your help. Okay, so let's see how many words we have learned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have learned 11 words. I think it is enough for today. Okay. So yeah, very much. So very first, let's revise from bottom to the first. उधार देना, lend. अंतिम संस्कार, फ्यूनरल. मंदबुद्धि, मोरॉन, जानबूझकर, डेलिबरेटली, ढीला, लोज, भरोसेमंद, रिलायबल, भविष्यवाणी, प्रेडिक्शन, असमर्थ, अनेबल, बेकार, यूजलेस, गरीबी, पॉवर्टी, मसलना, मैच, पिघलना, मेल्ट, आश्चर्यचकित, एस्टोनिश, बहस, आर्गुमेंट, हलवाई, कॉन्फ्लेक्शनर, लोहार, गोल्डस्मिथ, लोहार, ब्लैकस्मिथ, सुनार, गोल्डस्मिथ, मोची, कॉबलर, दर्जी, टेलर, नाई, बार्बर, जवाबदेह, अकाउंटेबल, दिखावा करना, रिटर्न, मेहनती, लेबोरियस, आनंद, प्लेजर, सहानुभूति, सिंपैथी, दौलत, वेल्थ, माली, गार्डनर, कसाई, बचर, ससुराल, इनलॉस, मंगेतर, फियांस, भेजना, समन, मलाई, क्रीम, चटनी, सॉस, तूफान, स्टॉर्म, मिट्टी, सॉइल, बाढ़, फ्लड, भूकंप, अर्थक्वेक, ज्वालामुखी, वोल्केनो, सिटी, विसल, उधार लेना, बोरो, मसूर दाल, लेंटिल्स, दाल, पल्स, आटा, फ्लोर, उबासी लेना, योनि, मुलायम, सॉफ्ट, बरसाती, रेबिस, झाग, फोम, रोग, डिजीज, बोना, ड्वार्फ, पागलपन, इट्स लुनेसी, लंगड़ा, लेप, बहरा, डीफ, गूंगा, डम, अंधा, ब्लाइंड, नाश्ता, ब्रेकफास्ट, नाली, ड्रेन, झाड़ू, ब्लू, मासू, टीयर्स, पत्थर, स्टोन, एट, ब्रिक, धागा, थ्रेड, सुई, नीडल, चढ़ना, क्लाइंब, फेंकना, थ्रो, याद दिलाना, रिमाइंड, थका हुआ, टायर्ड, गुफा, केव, पिंजरा, केज, कंबल, ब्लैंकेट, तलवार, स्वॉर्ड, हमेशा, फॉरएवर, हड्डी, बोन, दाढ़ी, बियर्ड, एड़ी, हील, खीरा, कुकुम्बर, कबूतर, पिजिया, लहसुन, गार्लिक, अदरक, जिंजर, हल्दी, टर्मरिक, अखबार, ह्यूमर, भ्रष्टाचार, क्रिटिसिज्म, करप्शन, हत्या, मर्डर, सिंदूर, वर्मिलियन, साबाज, वेल्डर, बेसक, ऑफकोर्स, निचोड़ना, स्क्वीज, सेकना, बेक, पीसना, ग्राइंड, छानना, स्ट्रेन, छीलना, पील, कंजूस, माइजर, जो कोई भी, हुएवर, जो कुछ भी, विचेवर, परंपरा, ट्रेडिशन, कामना, ट्रैम्बल, चुगलखोर, स्नेचर, विधवा, विडो, अनाथ, ऑर्फन, चौकीदार, वॉचमैन, किराएदार, टेनर, रिश्तेदार, गेस्ट, मेहमान, नो रिश्तेदार इज रिलेटिव, मेहमान इज गेस्ट, बातुनी गैरस, अनपढ़ इलिटरेट पढ़ा लिखा, अनपढ़ इलिटरेट पढ़ा लिखा लिटरेट, समझदार सेंसिबल किसको, होम किसका होस, अजीब विचित्र वियर्ड घटिया सॉरी फौजी सैनिक, फौजी सैनिक इज सोल्जर दया, मर्सी पापी, सिनर हल्दी टर्मरी जुआड़ी गैम्बलर फुल्की देना, थ्रेटन गड्ढा पिट कीचड़, मड कॉर्नर डुआर्ट्स, आज़ादी स्वतंत्रता लिबर्टी, सुखदायक सोदिन सत्यानाश, डैमिट प्रतीत होना सीम है अहंकारी, एरोगेंट चुड़ैल रिच वरदान, बोन शराब कर्ज खुजले एचिंग वफादार लाहौर शपथ देना वो जाति कास्ट भेदभाव डिस्क्रिमिनेशन संघर्ष स्ट्रगल आचार विज्ञान एकाग्रता कंसर्वेशन अल्पसंख्यक माइनॉरिटी अपराध क्राइम आध्यात्मिक स्पिरिचुअल इरादा इंटेंशन उल्लंघन वायलेशन आलोचना क्रिटिसिज्म अनिश्चित अनसर्टेन मासूम इनोसेंट प्रयास एफर्ट धरती और धड़कन हार्टबीट डर को कायर कोवर चूल्हा स्विंग इच्छा डिजायर घाव बाउंड होना स्टेट खासियत कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऐतिहासिक हिस्टोरिकल उचित प्रॉपर उलझन डिलेमा और कन्फ्यूजन उम्मीद होप हालत कंडीशन भाग्य पेट थोड़ा एलिटल वेट तालमेल कोऑर्डिनेशन जिद्दी स्टबर्न उत्साह एंथुजियाज्म उपाय सॉल्यूशन और रेमेडी बीमार सिक आदत हैबिट बातचीत कन्वर्सेशन संभावना पॉसिबिलिटी प्रस्ताव प्रपोजल प्राचीन इंसान प्रारंभिक नेचर तरक्की प्रोग्रेस जागरूकता अवेयरनेस उपयुक्त एप्रोप्रिएट मोदी रेडिस पालन स्पिरिट शिमला मिर्च वेल पेपर बर्तन यूटेंसिल जड़ी बूटी हर्ड कमर वेस्ट चोट कपड़े धोने का स्थान होने का स्थान कपड़े धोने का स्थान लॉन्ड्री चोट इंजरी चश्मा ग्लासेस कांच ग्लास पैदल ऑन फुट नतीजा आउटकम के बजाय इंस्टेड मुश्किल से पहले आधी रात मिडनाइट हाल ही में रिसेंटली आधी रात मिडनाइट पक्का आधी रात मिडनाइट हाल ही में रिसेंटली आज रात टू नाइट पक्का से और पर्दे कर्टेन के खिलाफ अगेंस्ट बगल में साइड पकड़ना कैच खिलाना फिट भौंकना बार्टलोना क्रैक और भी विचार थॉट न्याय जस्टिस निर्देश इंस्ट्रक्शन विरोध करना प्रोटेस्ट पहुँचना अराइव नीचा दिखाना ह्यूमिलिएट बेवकूफ़ ना समझ सिले डांटना स्कोर बदनाम करना डिफेम लगा हुआ फैक्शन इसबाजी करना फ्लड को वाला बैचलर बहादुर ब्रेक बहकाना मिसगाइड परेशानी ट्रबल अंधविश्वास सुपरस्टिशन पास नियम घटाना बनाना क्रिएट पीछे बिहाइंड सचमुच लिटरली जरूरी है सेंसर निश्चित रूप से फ्रेंडली फुसफुसाना विस्पर धीरज पेशेंस लिफाफा एंगुलर समझाना एक्सप्लेन आश्चर्य वॉन्डर आरामदायक कंफर्टेबल लेआउट नहीं सांस में भक्त डिवोटी उत्सुक ईगर आत्मा सोल बेचैनी एंजाइटी स्वीकार करना एक्नॉलेज so basically this is a thing which was happened today. I hope you understand till here. And one thing I also want to tell you that if you found any kind of mistake when I speak like grammatical error or some English pronunciation error, so kindly please tell me in the comment section. If you tell me, then I really appreciate that you are trying to help me to improve my English speaking skills, and it is really a very important thing to know about that. And from day by day using something and I'm telling to you. And one thing guys, I unable to tell you that about my daily accountancy topic which we have started to learning, and I really from tomorrow I will start very soon. Okay, so I think it is enough for today. Let's end the video guys. See you, bye bye.